Hello, everyone. Hope everyone is staying healthy, doing well. Um, as we prepare to move to our remote learning format, I just want to make sure everyone understands what we need to do with Google Classroom to access all of our materials. So, I'm going to take you through some of the kind of key steps to access your materials, some key reminders, just so everyone's ready to go on Monday when we begin our remote learning. So you can see that right now I have the 5 classes I teach. This is going to be a teacher's view. The student view might be slightly different. So it might not look exactly the same, but a lot of the key pieces are going to be the same. So I'll select first the class that I'm a part of. So choose period 1 just for this sample. And right away, one of the things that I want to point out is that it directs you right away to this stream page. It can be a little confusing. It just lines everything up. What I recommend right away is click the classwork tab. What you'll see is that we have divided things into weekly topics. So week 1, all the materials will be placed in this topic. When week 2 is created, it'll be a separate topic, but this is one way to be organized with all the materials that will be posted. As you can see, the first assignment's posted there already, the homework number 1. So just a reminder, to access the materials, you're just going to click, and you'll see that you have your own document created. You can click that right there, and it pulls up the document for you. Okay, this is the kind of expectations, the guidelines for what we're doing. What you'll have to do is read through it with a parent or guardian, put in your student signature and your parent or guardian signature, and then you're going to turn that in. One thing that is missing on my view that I want to make sure everyone knows is there should be a turn in button up here for students. It's very, very important that we turn in all of our assignments because then we get notified as teachers that the assignment's turned in. We can grade it and give you feedback in a timely manner. Okay. Now, just going back to our classroom page, another very useful tool that I want to highlight quickly is you see where it says Google Calendar right here. This is a great tool for you to stay organized with your assignments. So, for example, I click it, and you'll see that the calendar is populated with all the materials for my various classes. You as a student, this will be filled with your assignments, and it's a great tool to stay on track with what is being assigned and when it's due. Okay. One final thing that I just want to point out, and you can see it right here, is that throughout this time period, I'll be sending you guys messages, kind of updates. If we encounter any problems, I'll try to message you on here as well. So the stream does provide you with that communication. Okay, just switching now to this whiteboard setup. All right, a couple of reminders we want to hit on first. All right, so homework 1 is due on March 23rd. That's that outlined and guidelines paper. Please make sure you're signing it, your parents or guardians are signing it, just so that everyone knows the process and procedure for what we're going to be doing with remote learning. Okay, number 2, all work will be posted on Sunday for that coming week. So for example, this Sunday, March 22nd, I'll be posting all the materials for the week. The due dates are staggered. So for example, classwork number 1 is due on Monday the 23rd. Classwork number 2 is due on March 24th. Okay, so please make sure we're aware of due dates, and also that's where your calendar can assist you. And then one kind of important comparison I want to make for you guys to make it clear is the difference between using your laptop for Google Classroom and using your phone. So first, let's look at what using your laptop allows you to do. Using a laptop or using a computer is probably the easiest way to use all of the Google Classroom products, okay? When you log into Google Classroom, you can open up your assignments. It'll instantly link it to Google Docs, and you can manipulate it and complete your assignments through Google Classroom using your laptop. Where students usually run into problems is if we use our phone to complete assignments. You can still use your phone to complete assignments, but you might run into some barriers. So the first thing you need to do if you're planning on using your phone is you need to download these following apps. So there's a Google Classroom app, there's a Google Docs app, and a Google Slides app. So there's 3 different apps that we need to download. Okay. Start off by opening the Google Classroom app. Okay, once you are in that Google Classroom app, you can see your assignments, you can access your assignments. If you cannot actually edit the assignments, if it's a classwork, for example, or a homework, and you can't type into that document, all you need to do is then go to the Google Docs app, find the assignment with the same title, and then you can edit, you can manipulate the document there itself. Similarly, if you can't access the slideshows that I'll be posting, Google Slides is a place that you can go to access those slides. We've run into problems with students only having the Google Classroom app and not being able to manipulate or edit their work. So please make sure you have the Google Docs app downloaded to your phone as well. Okay. This is a work in progress for everyone. So if problems come up, please just shoot me an email. Starting next week, I will be having office hours, and I'll send out an email. I'll send out a Kinvolved message with that as well. My office hours will be on Mondays, 12 to 2, and then Tuesdays through Fridays, 9 to 11. So in those 2 hours, I'm going to be online. I'm going to be reaching out to students, and I'll be here for support. So if you feel that you're struggling with assignment or confused about an assignment, feel free to message me, and I'll be there to assist you guys. I hope everyone's doing well. I'm excited to keep teaching and have you guys keep learning. Reach out if you have any questions or concerns. Have a good day, guys.